Hi everybody, spring is here, and sometimes when we think about spring, we think about spring cleaning. In this video, I will be showing you some objects we can use when we want to clean our homes. So let's start. The first one is a broom. Broom. We use this to sweep the floor. Often we use this object with the broom. The dustpan. Dustpan. You can also wash the floors, and with this you use a mop. A mop. We also have here paper towel. Paper towel. To clean windows, we can use a squeegee. A squeegee. Here we have a brush, and here's the tag for brush. To dust, like a table or another piece of furniture, you can use a duster. Duster. Of course, you can clean things with paper towel, but you could also use a rag. Rag. Now I have two more things to show you to conclude this video. This is when your toilet is blocked, so you would use a plunger. You can also use this if your sink is blocked. And finally, you put water in a pail. This is a big pail. So those are some popular objects we can use when we want to do some spring cleaning. So I hope you learned something from this video, and of course I wish everybody a happy springtime. So take care. Goodbye.